For this Namnama Clinic, the primary service po na ibibigay po natin is free HIV counseling and testing. Of course, we will be integrating mental health services in this clinic. So, counseling services are for free, condoms, lubricants, and referral to pre-exposure prophylaxis are for free. Ang goal natin dito is we want to diagnose more, no? Especially those individuals already infected by the virus, but hindi pa nila alam yung kanilang HIV status. Most of our professional vulnerable and key populations are not available on weekdays, and they are not available on official business hours like 8 to 5. We'll make the services more accessible to them. At the same time, client-centered, kasi we fit the services based on the need of the client.